In this video, we're going to show you how to install the sway bar end link on your Ford Focus located behind the front wheel. Using a 19mm socket, we're going to loosen and remove the lug nuts. Remove the wheel and set it aside. Now with the wheel removed, you can go ahead and locate your sway bar end link. It attaches to the back portion of the strut here, and then runs down the back, and it runs down and it connects to the sway bar down below. Now on the top here is a 15mm. We're going to use our socket to go ahead and loosen that nut. Now in our particular case, the ball joint stud for our sway bar end link is spinning with the nut. We use our 15mm gear wrench on the nut, and we're going to use our number 5 Allen key here on our ratchet. Now that's going to take the bracket off with our ABS wire, pull that through. We're going to repeat this process for the one down below. So we have a wrench on here. It seems to be spinning just like the upper one, so we'll put our Allen key in here. Go ahead and remove this. I want to take our new end link here, slide this up, feed this through. Now on the inboard portion here is a 18mm nut per se. You can hold on to that, and we're going to use a thin wall wrench here to hold the inside while we tighten that nut. So let's go ahead and get the nut installed. Put our 18mm thin wall in here, and we use our 15mm gear wrench. And the reason why we're using a thin wall wrench on the inside is due to the clearance. Once this tightens down, there's only enough room for that thin wall wrench in there to hold that. If you put a regular thickness or regular wrench in there, it'll pinch that before you can get the unit tight. Snug that down, and let's install the upper. I'm going to torque these down to 46 foot-pounds. And repeat for the bottom. Now after this is torqued, you can now install your wheel, repeat for the passenger side, and you're all set. Go ahead and take your wheel, line it up on the wheel studs, and let's go ahead and get the lug nuts started. I'm going to start them all by hand, and then we'll come on back and snug them down. When snugging these down, it's ideal to do them in a crisscross pattern. Let's now torque them. Let's go ahead and torque down our lug nuts to 94 foot-pounds. And ideally, you want to do this in a crisscross pattern. And there you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.